Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be inspecting the emergency phone. Thank you, Helly.
Each historic home for today's great test of speed. Our finish line will...
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
But I'm glad that you are here. It would have been much scarier if I was all alone.
Just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this?
Yeah, that...
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Hoppet hikker, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
What just happened?
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
Pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out of the...
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt. This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Don't worry, Annie. We'll soon have you back on the rails again.
Hello, hey! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
I'm not the only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Whoa,
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, Doc Hudson.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but
Lightning McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me. Want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, gazooga.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!